Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Music Man's Garage. Today we are going to put some new marker lights on Mr. Grinch. I'm going to show you first what they look like before we start. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to do it, and then I will show you the end result. That's what the front corner looks like. And this is what the rear driver's side looks like. If you're working on the driver's side, turn your wheel to the right. If you're working on the passenger side, turn your wheel to the left. So that's what I'm going to do, and we will start with the front left. It makes it a lot easier to get in there. The next thing I need to do is I'm going to undo these screws. Right here is one. There's one, and there's another one. We're going to undo those screws that give us easier access. Now, the lights that I picked are from Infinite Arrow. This is in the package. Go ahead and take them out of the package. That's the little box they come in. Go over to the bench and open that up. These lights are literally just plug and play. So there should be 4 of them in there. This is what they look like. Black on the outside, and I ordered green to match the color concept of my car. Got to figure out if either one of them, if they're all the same or if they matter which corner they go onto. I don't think they do, but we'll have to see. So there's all 4 of them, and from the back here, they literally all look the same. So these are apparently a Torx 20. I thought it was a screwdriver, but Phillips head, but it's actually a Torx 20. Take this one out. I think the one above it will do the job. Right there is a white tab, and I gotta push that white tab in and it should pop it out. Gonna use a screwdriver. Can't hold the camera and push the tab. Push the tab, pop it out. Pop it out. Pop out the edge, then you should be able to pull this out. Unplug it. So the tricky part about this is that this housing has a bulb in it. You have to pull the bulb out, and then this LED light plugs into the slot where the bulb goes, like that. So that's a little confusing, and I'll be honest with you, putting that in the instructions would have really been helpful. Plug it in kind of like a bulb, right? Put it back in its place. Hey, you got 5 minutes?
What?
Help me out in the garage?
Yeah.
For a minute? Maybe 7. So as you can see, I had to have a neighbor come over and help me pop those out because that was kind of a 2-person thing. I couldn't get it on my own, but now I'm gonna go ahead and just start replacing the bulbs and plug it all back in and see what they look like. I wanted to check them and make sure that they work, and they do, so now I'm gonna pop them back in. Okay, 3 down, 1 to go. Well, there it is. They look pretty good.